Today we are going to know a few iPhone tricks. So let's begin. The first would be hiding pics. You can just open your gallery and hide any pic for randomly. I'm just hiding one of the pic, edit, and if you go down you'll find hide option, hide photo. But when you scroll down, you'll find the picture is visible there. It's actually not hidden. To hide, you can just go to your settings, scroll down, you will find the photos option, open that, scroll down and you will find hidden album. Just remove that. In this way you won't find even the hidden album option, so the photo is actually hidden. The next would be adding a signature to any document or PDF you require. There are many times when you need to add signature to your documents and upload it. So you can just take a screenshot of the PDF and click on add signature as shown here. And you can place the signature anywhere you require. Increase or decrease in size. Once you're done, just save it to your files or save it to your photos. Save and go to my files, my phone, and here you go. You'll find the signature on it. In the simple way you can upload your documents with signature. Next should be saving your full page as a PDF. For example, you want to read the whole news. So rather than screenshotting one picture, you can take the whole page as one. For example, take a screenshot. Once you're done, you'll get an option called full page on the side. You can see in this way, you can take the whole page. You can scroll down and you'll find the whole pages there. You can just save it to your files as PDF and you can view the news whenever you need without the internet. You don't even need internet to access this. It's just saved in your gallery. You can do for any other pages also. It saves the full page of that whatever search you have done. Next would be calculator backspace. We find that there is no backspace in calculator in iPhones. So we can usually do is swipe your finger from left to right. It works as a backspace. Many know this, but still. Moving on, the next would be magnify text. If you want to show someone the specific text, you can use this option. Just click on the plus option, you will find magnifier. You can place it on wherever you want to maximize the option or text. For example, here I am maximizing the text to iOS 14.4y and save to files. Save. And the opposite person whom you are sending or to whomever you want to show, it will exactly show the text in magnifying. In this way you can magnify any of the text or data you want. It will be easy to know. Moving on, using scan documents. We can just tap on the notes option and click on scan document. In this way you can scan any of the picture or photo you want and it will be saved as a picture in your gallery or in your notes column. You can adjust the photo however you like. For example, I'm adjusting the photo here and done. So this will be saved in your photos notes. In this way you can take a picture of any of it and it's very clear. And scan documents in this way. Next was using Apple logo backside for different purposes. This is a new feature added after the update. You can use a back Apple logo of your devices for many purposes. Right now I'm using it for screenshot. So I have selected double tap. So when I double tap on the logo, it takes a screenshot. Yeah.